Gang, what's going on? It's boy Quentin back with another day for you guys, bro. You already know what we do, man. Another reaction in this, be. You feel me? So I'm doing a reaction to FlightReacts funniest moments of November, you know what I mean? I'm reacting to him reacting to his funniest moments of November, you know what I mean? So you already know what we do, man. I was watching 1 minute of this video last night and I stopped it. I said, shit, this shit too funny. I gotta react to this shit, you know what I mean? Favorite YouTuber, by the way, guys. I already know what we do. FTC flight team stand up. You already know what we do, man. Let's go. You know what I mean? Like, subscribe, share. Let's get, you feel me? Let's get right into the video. I already know what we do, man. Okay. Recording starts now. Video play.
What it do, flight crew? FTC. Flight team stand up. I carried this year. December is here. FlightReacts' funniest moments of November. I'm too high to remember. I think it's November. It's not November no more. But we have the funniest moments.
Yes, sir.
Let's shut it out. I'm too high to remember. I think it's November. Yes.
Bro, this nigga create a slang for every month, bro. Like, this shit crazy, right?
Bro, I still wanna know what happened to that dude. What happened to him? What the hell happened over here, bro? Oh my gosh, bro. Wait, why is he saying quack? Oh! What is he say? Why is he saying quack?
This
is that
nigga
like
flag,
the
bro.
thing to tell the better go away? I was trying to figure that out too. Don't
Flag.
do drugs. Get your education, you guys. Bro, is that a lion? Bro.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit. Bro, that hurt me watching that again. Safe to say, bro.
Damn, bro.
That was nuts. Damn.
Bro, don't mind my laughing. Yo, this video, bro. Yo, don't mind my laughing, bro. I don't got best of laughing, bro. You know what I mean? But shit, if my laughing make you laugh, bro, let me know. You feel me?
Old school threat right here. What the hell is, bro? Oh my gosh, the teeth, bro. What is wrong with the teeth, bro?
This nigga looking at himself.
What's wrong with the man's teeth, bro? Imagine waking up and having teeth like that, bro. Bro, if somebody looks at you like this, just run. Don't even try to argue.
Her wing. Oh, wing, bro.
Tripping. Slip. What they look like was sunscreen. Bro, that hit. Bro, that song was hitting. I didn't even know what that meme was about, to be honest with you. Hello? No, chop, my nigga. What are you talking for, bro?
Bro, his rage moments are the best, bro. No lie, bro.
that controller.
PS5 controller, the nigga broke, bro.
This shit look like he got fucking surgery and shit. What the fuck? Where did the other parts fucking fly to? I got another controller, bro. Don't worry. For everyone watching from Flight. Looks like one of that. You know that one character off Star Wars? D1, R1, D2, something like that. Y'all know what I'm talking about, man. I was looking crispy that day, but I needed a haircut, and I still do. Dirty wives?
I watched this video, bro.
Curry style.
This nigga got 30 wives, bro. 30 wives, bro.
Wives? Whoa! Yo! This is the man right here, bro. 30 wives? Bro, you gotta let that sink in, bro. 30 wives. Bro, am I speaking facts or what? That means he has 30 girls, like 30 different options, bro. too much work and dedication. Bro, imagine being a stone trying to fix that, bro. I'll rage. I'll be like, I'm saying, Fall Guys. I'm trying to return to that bit, man, but
his rage at Fall Guys
funny as fuck, private, bro.
Fall Guys ain't shit now, bro. It's Among Us.
Literally, honestly, look, I'm gonna be 1,000 with you. My entire real football build back in the day, especially in middle school, bro, was a mix of Iverson when he played football, Walmart, Randy Moss, and Deshaun Jackson. To be fair, that's my player build for football right there. If it was to compare, it was literally me right there. Stop the cap.
Shut up, B-Lou-Z-S, bro. Stop the cap.
There was no cap, bro. Bro, look at that, bro. That's amazing building. Bro, that build was fire. That was like professional shit. Just as the same, or even harder. You know what I'm saying? It's just with anything. Like, if I step in a boxing ring, it was a fight Mike Tyson. Like I said, I would go 7 rounds, but in that 7th round, if I end up getting knocked out or whatever like that, I'm not going to be, at the end of the day, trying to look for sympathy because I put myself in this situation. You know, so... You know what I mean, bro? But honestly, I wouldn't get knocked out, though. I would
That's nasty.
The full rounds. It'll be a draw, just like the Roy Jones.
Yogos were small, multicolored fruit snacks with.
Oh, Yogos are strong. I remember those. Yeah, those are those. Hey guys, I don't know if you guys are lost, but I think this guy that's talking right now remembers those. Those are good. I remember those.
They were a
I don't know if you guys didn't hear me, but I remember those.
For the person right next to it. So when you got to the top, the car is breaking the driver's reflexes.
These has to be the luckiest people caught on camera, bro.
That's
bro. And look at this dude right here. He just, bro. That's designs. I want to see that. What is it? Have a different haircut. I'm trying to expect that. They got like a Futurama type of like a theme. I like it. I ain't gonna lie. I like it. You know what I'm saying? It's different. I like it. It's like a Futurama type of thing. This is like something like maybe like on Venus or something. Already had a secret planet. You know what I'm saying?
Damn, bro.
There's a haircut that's talking. He was homeless. Yo, man, the quarantine kicking people's asses. Investing my money a good amount, you know, into a planet instead of, you know, buying jewelry and nice things. That's why you're gonna be a Hall of Famer. Bro, oh my damn! Yo! Whoa, that could have ended bad.
Fuck.
Oh my gosh, what inspired him to go through there? Did you really think you have 3 flat speed, bro? Fam, not even me back in the day would have made it across there, bro. Damn! Bro, that dude got ratio. Literally. Bro, he said, bro. Oh my gosh! That dude is a silver school threat. You're using the same subject jokes, calling out the prostitute. Irish spring, ring, nigga!
Shit, my head is hurting, bro. Oh shit.
Alright. Hardy, you just heard the goals.
Bro, this nigga is funny as fuck,
bro. You can't just do this great badge. This is a bronze and this is a society badge, bro. I don't know what in the fuck kind of face you're making, bro, but Bronze Minister Society badge is now enabled, bro, for artists. Damn, that pissed me off. Looking at that, they should have launched me. I just don't respect these fucking stream snappers, bro. Y'all are just so fucking bitch. Fucking bro, what the hell is wrong with this guy, bro? Why is he raging? Bitch ass dudes, man. Crack my fucking controller, bro.
The heck?
Bro, no!
Why? Why?
Ew,
Why,
man.
brother? Why,
Bro,
brother?
it took me a second to process that, but come on, man. What the?
Why, brother?
Bro. No, man. That's bro.
Why, panda?
Like 23 did not do what he was supposed to do. Why are you playing so up on him, bro? He should have, bro. Right here, literally me back in the day, even still now. I'm falling back a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Acting like I'm gonna be out of the play and giving up and everything like that, because this little big ass linebacker ain't gonna be able to like catch me around the corner like that,
Facts.
right? And so I would have, see my mouse? I would have came around there and fucking boom! Bro, I would have put this dude on his ass, bro. He would have fumbled the game and over with a succeeded. Like,
Facts.
You know what? Are you going to store money for me for that?
Yes, I
How
want
much
the
you
money
want?
back.
How much you want?
$15. Give me something.
I went down to 15.
Give me some money
It
back.
went from 20 to 15.
How much you just...
Gotcha. You can't finesse.
Hey, that guy's on my side, man.
Alrighty. You have upgraded from a school threat Luther Donahue to a Hall of Fame platinum school threat badge, bro. No. Platinum Menace to Society badge. You have a platinum. I think you were the first NBA player actually with the platinum Menace to Society badge. Because you had Hall of Fame before. You have a bro. Why are you taking? You're not Superman, baby. You're New Jersey up. You good?
You ain't Superman, baby. That shit ginger
That I will respectfully score at least 67 points on MJ. You know what I'm saying? But he'll, I feel like he'll beat me. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna, keep that respect
I need
factor
a
and
haircut,
credit where it's
bro.
due. But I'll score at least 67 points because I said that Michael
trust you,
Jordan's
bro.
defense, in all honesty, was just casual. You know what I'm saying? Back in the day, and a lot of people just, took that a certain way, and I really don't care. But
Yeah.
anyway, I told you. Anyway, everything in this game is
Fuck
all
them,
in his
man.
offense. Anyways, it's not his offense is 100 overall. His defense is about a 66. So that's
What are
why
you
I said
improving here?
67 points.
Anybody can go out for a shot to block
Nice. Doing it on old head Vince Carter. I do the same thing too. If I was 122 foot. No, wait. Hold up. We got a backtrack. Then we did a little air right there. I got to edit that part out. You know what I'm saying? He was taller the other day. I meant to actually say 182 foot 8.
Facts.
I got to edit that part out. Yeah. I mess up on your comfortable height. Thou shalt not mess up on your comfortable height. Bro, oh shit, that dude looks like me, yo.
For real.
He's familiar.
Similar.
Bro,
This nigga hide the corner, bro.
that dude looks like me, bro. He looks so familiar. What the hell? Heat check. I had to hit the heat check dance right before the bell rang too. No cap, because I was not trying to get stuffed in a locker. You know what I'm saying?
Facts,
So I was looking
bro.
a little paranoid. If you can see me a little bit, kind of stumble and shit. I was trying not to get stuffed in the locker and shit. So, you know what I'm saying?
Facts, bro.
Bro, Julio Jones weighs like 130. How you letting him stiff on me, bro? Bro, I would put Julio Jones in his ass, bro. For real. No disrespect, but it's just like, bro, he's too skinny. What are you doing? No, matter of fact, bro. Metcalf, you have a gold school threat badge, bro. You're lucky I didn't even upgrade you to Minister Site, but you have a gold school threat badge, bro. You're just grabbing this dude's face mask like a toddler, bro. Like, what are you doing, bro? This is why, like, let's see.
This is what started it, you would think, well,
That's a clean play by Gilmore.
right in front of you.
Get your weight up.
Get your weight up.
In fact, I would have made the person flip 2 times in the air like a, you know what I'm saying, a cartoon character. Please, what, bro? You thought you was gonna give me this? You thought you was gonna give me this time? Look at Curry, man. So inspirational. And they thought they were gonna give me this time. Look at Curry, man. So
inspiration, though.
Now look, you guys. I know there was like a viral TikTok out there, you guys. At the end of the day, look, bro. One, I was zoned out because I was stoned to shit that video. Two, I have seen this play now 16 times. It was 15 last time. Now it's 16 now. Look at Curry, man. But hey, thou shalt not ever miss a look at Curry, man.
Facts.
I fucked up that time. It won't happen again. You probably slipped it, but you didn't catch me slipping this time. You thought you had 2 million views TikTok views. They thought. 2 times in a row, baby.
First round picks.
What?
Starting next year until 2026.
18 first round
I don't know if
picks.
that's ever happened.
How is that even possible? You know, that's how you know the Thunder go off after everybody and still failed. 18 first round picks, bro. So you mean to tell me they have 18 players they can draft next season, bro? If the Thunder do not win a championship within 5 years, bro, they need to relocate to back to Seattle or something. Like real talk, bro.
Crazy, but it's all gonna.
For real.
1932.
How is it even possible still?
Damn, he threw it right to them, man. Robert Griffin is his family guy? What the fuck, bro?
What the heck, bro?
Hold on, man. Go Menace to Society match right here, bro. Did you just take out an ice cube and chuck it across? This man not only like he threw it as if he was shooting the game-winning shot in the finals, bro. Like he said like these, bro. He didn't say like this, like a picture in the MLB. He said like these, bro. You know what I'm saying? My man was trying to get an on-point. Like I don't know what he was, bro. Called you what? Oh hell no, he spit on him? What the heck? Something for this is real life.
What the heck,
Full
bro?
on flesh Spider-Man combos, bro. I promise you, bro. You will literally see me on every
Bro, what the heck is wrong with this
see
kid,
on
bro?
every blog page on the news station, bro. I'm just not playing that, bro. I don't give a fuck about any consequence, bro. You're not just gonna run up on my shit and just poke my shit with a stick. And
Hey, man, that's what you're man. That's what man. Coming on the next one on the road before it, man.
Anyways, guys, that's the end of the video. You know what I mean? If you wanna see more reaction, bro, I know the lighting kind of bad right now, but if you wanna see more reaction, please drop a like, comment down below. You know what I mean? Let's get this shit to 2K. You know what I mean? 3 years on YouTube. You know what I mean? Growing slowly and surely. You know what I mean? But anyways, I already know what to do, man. Keep it together, on the bitch. Let go.